Namaskaram. Today I am going to take a topic called measures. It is called alavaigal in Tamil. Measure, it is called alavai. Alavai, alavai. In English I written ALLAVAI. It's called alavai. Called measures in English. So let us go for the first one. Length. For length it's called Neelam. Don't say Neelam. Neelam means become blue. The Neelam. So I written 2 earlier. Neellam. Neelam means length. Then for breadth or width we say Agalam. Agalam. See, for breadth again we say Agalam. Agalayum. For length we say Neelam, and for breadth we say Agalam. And for height we say Uyaram. U-ya-ra-im. Uyaram. I'm repeating. U-ya-ra-im. Uyaram means height. Length, breadth into height becomes a volume. Then area. For area we say Chaduradi. Chaturadi. Chaturadi. Chaduradi. So also called Parappalavu. Acha. Then fifth one is volume. Volume is called Togudi in Tamil. Togudi. I'm repeating once again. Measures means alavai. Alavai. And for length we say Neelam. And for breadth we say Agalam. Agalayim. And for height we say Uyaram. Uyaram. And for area we say Chaduradi. Chaduradi. And for volume we say Togudi. Togudi. Then we are coming to circumference. It's called Chutralavu. Chutralavu means circumference. Now we are coming to line. Line means code. Code means line. Then for 1 foot we say Adi or Muram. Adi or Muram. When we go to market to buy a flower, we always ask them Uru Muram or Rendu Muram, like that. 1 Muram is 12 inches, makes 1 foot. Either Adi or Muram. Then radius. A circle we find a radius. It's called Aram. Aram. I'm repeating once again. Circumference is Chutralavu. Then for line we say Code. Then for foot we say Muram. M-U-Z-H-A-M or Adi. Then for radius we say Aram. Aram. Then we are coming to diameter, double of radius. So diameter is called Mulu Aram. Mulu means full. Mulu Aram. For radius we said that is Aram, and for Mulu Aram means diameter. Then comes semicircle. I told you Vattam means circle. So Aravattam means half of that. So it's called Araivattam means semicircle. Then comes quarter. Quarter means 1/4, 1/4. Kal, we say Kal in Tamil. Kal. Then comes half, 1/2. Half means Arai. Arai means half. I am repeating once again. For diameter we say Mulu Aram. And for semicircle we say Araivattam. it, im. And for quarter, 1/4, we say kal. And for half, 1/2, we say arai. Arai. Then for 3/4, 3/4, we say mukkal. Mukkal means 3/4. Then there is a measure called palm finger size measure from the big toe to this small finger to thumb. Thumb to small finger measure is called palm size. So that in Tamil we call it Jan. Jan. That measure is called Jan. Now another topic called hospital. For hospital, it is called Maruttuva Manai. Maruthu means medicine. So Maruttuvar means doctor. So Maruttu Manai means hospital. It tu va manai. Maruttuva Manai means hospital. Then we are coming to doctor. A doctor is called some Maruttuvar. It tu va ir. And there's another name called Vaidyar. By it the ir. I'm repeating once again. For hospital we say Maruttuva Manai, and for doctor we say Maruttuvar, or another name is called Vaidyar. And for nurse, there are two names. Normally we call it Chevili. Chevili means nurse, or Aya. See, I'm repeating. This is Chevili, and this Aya. Nurse. For nurse, we say Chevili or Aya. Then for patient, we call it Noyadi. Noyalli written in English. Is no Noyadi. In Hindi, we call it as a marriage. So this is Noyadi. Then fourth one is thermometer. For finding temperature, we want thermometer. That is called in Tamil Ushnamani. Ushnamani. Normally, a thermometer is filled with a mercury because it can remain in a solid state as well as liquid state. So it's already taught this. For mercury, we say Padarasam. So thermometer, we say Ushnamani. I'm repeating once again. For nurse, we say Chevili or Aya, and for patient we say Noyadi, and for thermometer is Ushnamani. Then for carrying the patient, we want stretcher. For the stretcher we say Toli. In Tamil also we say Toli. Toli for stretcher. Then for treatment we say Sigitchai. Sigitcha in India also we say Sigitchai. Then for first aid we say Mudal Udavi, the first help. Mu-da-lu-da-vi. And then ambulance, we say Maruttuva Vandi. Ma-ru-it-tu-va-va-indi Vandi. This is called Maruttuva Vandi. I am repeating once again. For stretcher, we say Toli. And for treatment, we say Sigitchai. And for first aid, we say Mudal Udavi. And for ambulance, we say Maruttuva Vandi. Then the ninth one is surgery. For any surgery, we say Aruvai Sigitchai. Sigitchai treatment. When they do the surgery, called Aruvai Sigitchai. And for a first aid, always we keep a kit. with all the medicines and everything what required. That is called Mudal Udavi Petti. Mudaludavi Petti. Petti means box. The box where the first aid kits are kept. Now there is other topic called places. I am going to take different places which are called in Tamil different names. Let us see what are the places we are coming under. Place means idam. In Tamil it's called idam means place. Now first one, market. For market we say sandai. Sa in dai. Sandai. Sandai means market. Then bazaar, we also in Tamil we say bazaar only, bazaar. Bajair, bazaar. Then for shop we say kadai, kadai, kadai. Then for school we say pallikudam, Pallikudam, pallikudam. I am repeating once again. For place we say idam, idam. For market we say sandai, sa indai. For bazaar we say bazaar only in Tamil, bajair. Then for shop we say kadai, kadai, kadai. And for school we say pallikudam, pallikudam, pallikudam. Then the fifth one is temple. For temple we say Kovil. Kovil. Another name is Alayam. Alayam. Either Kovil or Alayam. Then for zoo we say Mrigakachi Salai, where the animals are kept. Mrigakachi Salai. Mrigakachi Salai means zoo. I am repeating once again. For temple there are two names, Kovil and Alayam. Kovil and Alayam. For zoo it's called Mrigakachi Salai. Mrigakachi Salai. Then the seventh one is a college. I told you for Palli means, Pallikudam means school, college means Kalluri. Ka-il-lu-ri. Kalluri means college. Then comes building. Ka-it-ti-da-im. Kattidam means building. Kattidam. Ka-it-ti-dam means building. For palace, King's Palace, we say Aranmanai. A-ra-in-ma-nai. Aranmanai means palace. And for bungalow, we say Madigai. Ma-di-gai. Madigai. I am repeating once again. For college, in Tamil we call it as Ka-illuri, Kalluri. For building, we say Kattidam. Ka-it-ti-da-im, Kattidam. For palace, we say Aranmanai. A-ra-in-ma-nai. Aranmanai. And for bungalow, we say Ma-di-gai. Ma-di-gai. Then the 11th one is university. I taught you school, I taught you the college, now university. University where different types of arts are taught. So, Kalai means, Kalai means art. Actually, Pala means many. Many types of arts are, many types of subjects are taught over there. Kadagam means associate. So, it's called Palgalai Kadagam University. Palgalai Kadagam. Palgalai Kadagam University. There is somebody said that, our Palgalikkaram is just like a family. A family should be like Palgalikkaram. And then house. For house we say Veedu. There are many names for the house. Veedu, Manai, Manai, Illam, Illam. There are three names. Veedu is also house.